Today we will be getting all of the crankcases cleaned up and the bearings removed so we can get the oven cleaner put on there, get all the old oil and whatnot taken off, go on to the reassembly part. All the bearings are removed from the left side of the case half. Wife's at work, gotta clean the engine parts. One way to do it before she gets home. We picked up a new slide hammer. We can now remove the balancer shaft bearing, as well as this needle bearing, and there is one more. Figure out what size collet you'll need. You'll insert that to the bearing. Should be a pretty tight fit or snug. And then this piece spreads out the collet so it has a tight fit inside the bearing. Screws onto the collet. We're going to go ahead and try to get this bearing out here for the clutch shaft using the smallest collet. Alright, bearing is removed. Came out the whole piece. This bearing in here really has no clearance, not a blind hole, but there's no way to get a collet in there. So we're going to try to tap it out with a punch. I have just about resorted to destroying the bearing in order to get this one out, but we'll get it and get it replaced. All right, there's the inner race. I was able to fit a collet on the inner race of the bearing, so we're going to try to get it out with a slide hammer now. All right, ended up having to put the case on the table of the workbench upside down like this and slide hammer it out from the bottom. But this bearing is out. After some persuasion, we got this bearing out.